Hello, my name is May and my channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. Thank you for joining me today, and I have an exciting position with SITEL to present to you today. SITEL is an online company that have many clients where they hire representatives to work for these clients. And the majority of their jobs are online or work from home rather. So you will take calls and chat requires from members and assist them through the online ordering process. And this position is virtual and requires a home office setting that is noise and distraction free. Okay, the roles and responsibilities will be to receive and process chats and or calls to answer customer questions about order status, delivery errors, returns, membership, or other concerns with online orders. You will communicate with vendors, merchandising, operations, and member service center to get and provide updates, minimize delays, and resolve issues. You will also handle between 20 to 25 contacts per day, document and maintain records of customer interaction. The qualifications for this position: you must have strong communication skills, including the ability to toggle between screens while chatting with the member, vendor, or warehouse. Type a minimum of 30 words per minute. And customer service and or retail experience preferred. You must be 18 years of age. You must have a high school diploma. Then you must pass a background check and drug screening test. So this part-time work-at-home customer service representative seems to be a great position to start off with SITEL. And if you want to know the benefits of work at home with SITEL, look on this right side and you'll see they have paid professional training attended from the comfort of your home, medical and dental benefits for full-time employees, hourly based pay with possible incentive opportunities, vacation and holiday pay, hired as an employee rather than an independent contractor, full and part-time shifts available, employee discounts with SITEL, and if you scroll down, you can read their facts and questions, questions you might have about the company. And then you can also check out is SITEL work from home right for you by reading this information here. And then if you want to and you're ready and you decide that you might want to try to apply for this job, you click apply. And in the applying process, or the application process, you will have to take an assessment first. So once you click that, you will have to take an assessment before you even fill out the application to see if you're a fit with them. And they said it's sort of fun and funny, and you might like it. So, and they said it's different from other assessment tests, which is good to know. So some assessments can be very long and cumbersome. So anyway, so what you'll do is put in your email address. I'm just going to put one in just to see what's going on. So we're going to put in this. All right, so enter your email to start the application. And then I hereby consent to SITEL. You read this information for yourself. I'm just doing it as an example for you. And you hit start. And once you hit start, now it says before we get started, ensure your volume is working or your headsets are plugged in, and they're kicking things off with a quick video about SITEL. So you'll see a video, and after the video, then you'll do the assessment. And then after the assessment, if you're fit for them, then you can proceed with the application. So I'm going to leave the link to this job below this video in the comments section. And if you feel that you are a fit and you would like to try this out, please go in and apply. So I will speak with you later. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, click the notifying bell for upcoming job opportunities, and click the thumbs up if you like this video. And have a great day.